I honestly don't know how to start this video. I'm just so down. I feel that I wasted everything. I've been feeling so terrible ever since this morning. So I know that a lot of us here might actually make this kind of mistake, or I still believe that there are some people that are currently facing this. That is why I say it's not good to keep it to myself. I have to come up here to share it with you guys because I wouldn't want any of you to fall victim. If you are not yet monetized, most importantly, you have to pay attention. And if you are monetized, you also have to try your best to pay attention so you will not be a victim. So I'm going to be telling you guys what this whole thing was, what actually happened, the mistakes I did, because it's just this morning that I was able to understand what went wrong and how I can actually rectify. But it's already too late. The deed has been done, but I'm going to be sharing it with us right now so you won't make the same mistake. Okay, so you all remember this particular video. I think this video I posted it 2 days ago on my channel here. Yeah, it was even because of that video that I didn't post anything yesterday. I was like, I just need to give the video space for it to grow, mature, get the right views, get to the right audience before dropping another video. Like guys, this video took me like, I literally took 2 days to edit this video. Like this video is power packed. For those of you that might not really understand the importance of this video, I've been getting series of emails even on my WhatsApp DM. Thank you so much for this video, because deep down I know the kind of information that I gave out for this over almost 19 minutes video. So this video, I invested everything in me, like the time, like this video na video wey be say I calm down, shoot, I calm down to record it. So in my head, my mind, I was thinking that this video is going to do so well, that this video is going to fetch me a very good revenue, because I have a video on my channel that is just only 10 minutes long, and just 2,000 views from that video. I was able to make over $12. So I was literally expecting the same thing, because it's long and the average view duration was really crazy. Like people really watched this video. I was seeing the share, people shared it, people reposted it a lot. So I just have it in the at the back of my head that this video, in my head, I was like, I don't hit jackpot, like this video is going to do well. But so what happened is that the video, YouTube just paid me for this video yesterday, and when I saw the initial payments, I didn't really expect it. I was thinking maybe it's network, maybe there's a glitch, maybe it's going to bounce back after. So I wasn't really expecting the this thing. So I said to myself, maybe miracle can happen, something can happen. But last I saw everything. And so let me quickly take you guys through my phone right now to show you guys the revenue that I got from this video, and to show you guys what actually happened and the mistake that I did. Please, if you're monetized, you're not yet monetized, you're doing my niche, please pay attention. This can happen to anybody, and I believe it has been happening. It's not just only me. So you all know that for a video that is as long as 19 minutes, the revenue is supposed to be high, because even from my viewers location, I even have US. You can imagine that thing. Yeah, this is the video here. This is the views. It has even gotten 2.3k views. Like, it's very crazy. Now let's quickly go through the analytics. Let's head over straight to the revenue of this video. Let me click on the revenue. Now for the revenue, you can see that for 1.2k views, this is what YouTube is paying me. I was literally expecting to see something like $5 or like $6 at least, because I know the recent revenues that I've been getting from my videos lately. Now look at see what YouTube is paying per 1,000 views, $1.85. And look at how much advertisers are paying me, $3.19. As I saw this thing, I off. Like, I literally went off. You know, when you guys, we are all YouTubers in the house now. You know, when you put in all your energy, all your everything in you to a particular video, you know that you're going to earn so high and the video is going to do well. Like the video views first of all break my heart. Now the revenue just shattered the heart. It just tore the heart into pieces. So let's not talk too much. Let me quickly go over to my studio right now to show you guys where the problem is coming from, or to show you guys the issue, what the issue is. So right now I'm in my YouTube studio because when I saw the revenue yesterday, I was literally down. I said something is definitely wrong. It has never happened. It has happened actually before, but it's been like 2 months back. So of recent, I know that even if I have 1,000 views on my channel, they are actually making me high revenue, like good revenue. But for this one to happen, there is something wrong. So this morning I decided to take my time and I went through my YouTube studio and I saw what I'm about to show you guys. Now let's go over to the monetization so that I can show you guys what is going on. Now if you look closely, you can see this place that says show me draw ads during my video. I have set it on automatically, so whenever I post my video, I don't even come here to select places to place ads. Now if you're monetized, or if you are not yet monetized, you are on your way to get monetized. Each time you finish posting your video, like your video has been uploaded and the dollar listing has been on, always come here to select and place ad. That is if you do not automatically set it on your channel. Do well to always come here to fix in the ads. If not, you're going to be missing out on a lot of revenue. You'll be losing money. I was passing through this before. That is before YouTube made this their announcement. But after the official announcement, you can now choose where to place your ads, and also YouTube can also help you to place ads, but only if you have spaces for them. You know, unlike before, as of last year, somebody might be watching your video and ads will just be interrupting anyhow. But now, after YouTube released that their update on May 12th, YouTube no longer plays ads anyhow. So if there is no pause in your video, if there is no break points, ads will not be placed. And this was my case. Like this was what literally happened to me. Now, if you look closely on this image here, let me make it bolder. If you look closely, you will see what it says. Move your manual ad slots for better chances of showing ads, which is keep automatic ad slot turned on so that we can continue to try to find additional opportunities to show mid-row ads. And for a while now, I've not gotten this kind of news before. Now let's click on the manage ad slot so that you guys can see. You can see it. There was no mid-row ads. There was nothing. Like YouTube did not place anything at all. This one that you all can see here that shows delete, that shows red danger sign. I actually fixed them this morning, because the minute I got it, I discovered that okay, this was what was wrong. So I tried to reward the video to check if I'll see break points, but I discovered that that video was just straight. It was just like trailer moving back, and I didn't even notice it. So this is the reason why I made penny. Like it paid me, because even videos on my channel that is even 7 minutes, they made more money. Huh. Okay, so now let me show you another video on my channel for you to also be able to understand what I'm saying, that if your video have natural pause, YouTube will be able to place in the ad without stress. They'll place it so easily. Now let's head over to this particular video here, this video that I did I think 3 or 4 days ago. Now let's go over to the monetization aspects. You can see that orange red danger icon message is not appearing. Now let's click on manage ad slots. You can see that YouTube automatically placed ads by themselves. I don't put ads. I just post my video and I leave it for them to fix it anywhere they want it, because most of the time I find it difficult fixing it, because sometimes you will fix and they'll be rejecting it. So you can see that YouTube plays ad by themselves. Now let's head over to another video here so that you can also see it. I think this video should also have it, because I gave natural pauses from this video, and these videos, the revenues are very beautiful. You can see here that YouTube plays like YouTube plays ad by themselves. No wonder this video revenue was very high. Like it was so high. It has gotten 2k views, but the revenue is more than 12 abi $13, because I had natural pauses. I took my time. I might be talking and I'll just pause. So I did that in this video, and you can see how YouTube scattered ads everywhere. That was why it made me good money. So this is to tell you that if you're doing my niche and you're monetized, you have to try your best to take natural pause. Or let's say you are listing 4 to 5 things in the video. When you're done listing one, try to take pause before you list the second one. It helps you, because this video, had it been I took all the pauses that I'm supposed to for this my video, I would have made a lot of money. But the deed has been done and there is nothing I can do about it. I've been feeling so down. I didn't even have energy to film anything or to even do the live streaming that I did this morning. But at the end of the day, we move on, life goes on. And yes, for this one did not do well. It's just for me to like be able to understand what actually happened, and also come here to pass information to you guys, and also not to make this same mistake again. Whew. So if you are a creator watching me out there, I hope this kind of thing does not happen to you. Imagine this video happens to go extra viral. That means I would actually be making penny. That's what I used to say it on this on my channel always, that making money here on YouTube, it requires strategy. If you don't do it with if you don't do it with strategies, you will end up seeing yourself getting a lot of views, thousands of views, and making penny. I saw one girl video here. She was doing how much YouTube paid her for 400,000 views, and she was not even able to make up to $200 on a long form video. I shouted, how? Huh. So we all have to be careful out there, and also trying our best to understand how all these ads placements work. So if you're watching me and you're not yet monetized, from now on, if you're in my niche, try to check out these things that I listed and try your best to start avoiding it, so that you will not fall victim when it's your turn. Okay, and I believe that we are all here to learn. The more we upload, we learn every day and we grow every day. So if you watch to this extent, you know you like this video, please do well to like, drop me your comments, subscribe to my channel, and lastly, do not forget to share. And also, if you've experienced this kind of thing before, or if it has happened to you, always feel free to share it with us in the comment section. As always, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. Oh, YouTube.